Our weekly agenda and objectives for Spanish 3, Week 3. So this week we will be going over our preterite and our imperfect tense. So remember, preterite and imperfect are both past tenses in Spanish. There are two different past tenses, which is different than in English. So students will be able to conjugate both regular and irregular verbs in the preterite tense as well as the imperfect tense, and you will also be able to construct sentences utilizing both of them. If we look at our weekly agenda, on Monday we are going to start reviewing your regular preterite verbs. Tuesday we will then go over all of the irregular preterite verbs, and Wednesday we will do a review of both regular and irregular verbs and practice their conjugations. Again, you should have learned this in Spanish too, so this should just be a review. On Thursday we are going to go over the imperfect tense. And then on Friday, we are going to continue practicing with the imperfect tense and their conjugations. The imperfect tense is a lot easier than the preterite because there are only 3 irregular verbs. Remember, it is important that you can conjugate in the preterite and the imperfect because after this, we're going to learn the difference as to when to use one versus the other. Being able to conjugate will make your life a lot easier. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to send me an email using your Rover Kids account.